Beauties, it's your girl Alma and welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday, so you know, another video from me, duh. You guys, it has been a long, difficult process to try to film this video, so if I look crazy, my lighting may not be as perfect as it always is. Let me stop playing. It might not be bomb because I have less studio lights out today. Like, y'all, I've been through a lot. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I plugged in the studio light, it started flickering. I plugged in another one, started flickering. Like, then the power just went out, y'all. It was a lot. It was a lot, but we're here now. Hopefully the lighting's not too crazy, but we're not gonna worry about that. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton key pouch, y'all. I'm waiting to get my hands on it, but let me just show you the thing and then we can unbox it together, and I'll give you another story time because just so much has been happening. So here is what it looks like. So I'll tell you how I finally got my hands on this, because y'all know this thing been sold out for like 10 years. One Thursday night, woken up from a nap, and then Fallon called me, and so me and her were talking, and during the conversation I checked the website and it was in stock, so then I ordered it. And then I realized I put the wrong email in, so it's not connected to like my old LV account. So I went in to try to place another order so it can all be under my account, whatever. But when I went back the second time, it was all sold out. So just like that. But anyway, I got my hands on it. So yeah, come to my attention that I might be a little dramatic, okay, just a little bit. So if sometime during this video I scream or anything, like, that is just pure excitement. Like, y'all getting my raw reaction. Like, I be screaming when I get excited. So if you see me screaming, and yeah, I'm gonna try to calm down. I haven't unboxed it yet, but I did take it out the box it came in, because if you saw my iPad unboxing, y'all know I'm weak. So let's just not waste time. Let's just take it out the package. But I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. This is the first luxury piece I've purchased for myself. Y'all know I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag in the Damier E bean print. This is she. Okay, y'all can't see me, but if you can see her, that's all that matters. This is she. I've already done a what's in my bag, so I'll link that up here so y'all can check it out. But let's just get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But disclaimer, y'all, if this is made in the USA, it's going back to sender. I don't want nothing made in the USA. Let's open this first. This is the receipt, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to open this up. This should be like a really quick video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, let me calm down. Okay, let me be serious. Okay, so we have this little thing. I actually don't know what it is. What is this? Is it the it's nothing. Okay, whatever. Okay, you guys, so here it is. Yeah, here it is. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm scared to be in the USA. Oh my gosh. God, please make it be made in France. Okay, let me calm down. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's made in France. It's made in France. So you guys, this is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. Okay, it's also in the Damier E bean print to match my bag. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm so impressed with this little piece, and y'all, that's because it kept getting sold out. This thing gets sold out so quick. I'm just like, what the heck? I didn't get my hands on this, and I finally did. I'll show you guys up close, so y'all can see the stitching and stuff. I gotta make sure it look good. The reason why I bought this is because all my cards and stuff are in this, and this came with the Neverfull. So I'm gonna transfer and see if everything can fit. I do have some Tic Tacs in here, which I'm pretty sure is not gonna fit, but all my cards and receipts all my cards and receipts should fit in here. Girl got some money. Yeah, so now this is empty. I'm gonna see what can fit in here. Okay, I hope y'all can see. So I have my driver's license. I have my, I'm not gonna show y'all because y'all know that's a lot of information. I have my health insurance card, my dental insurance card, a gift card. Okay, yeah, gift card, my debit card, my BJ's card, honey, my school ID, my other school ID, and then I got $40. Yo, this is everything I'm trying to put in the key pouch. Let's see. if it fits. Okay, it fit. It fit. I'm sorry. I need to calm down. But y'all, so I really got this. I could take my phone. Like, let me show y'all. Phone, card, keys gonna be on. I don't know if I'll put my keys on here. I'll probably put my keys in my pocket. But phone, card, everything, and then we outie. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I actually need to calm down. Like, I really need to calm down. But y'all, this, y'all, like. I'm sorry. Y'all don't understand how I'm trying to get my hands on this. Like, I wish y'all understood. Then you understand my joy. I tried to get a close-up for you guys, but it wasn't focusing. So basically, there's the Louis Vuitton name is on both sides of the pouch. So it's right here and it's right here again. And then there's a LV logo in the little hooky part. And then it's on the zipper as well. Y'all, this is super exciting. I know people have issues with opening this. I am people. Wait, no, hold on. Y'all saw that. How I close this? Okay, so what the hell? Okay. So if I want to put my keys on here, put it on here. Okay, y'all, let me calm down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my unboxing of my new baby. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. All my cards and cash are all in this little thing right here. It's so cute. That means I need to find a new purpose for this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's empty now. I took everything out. The only thing in here is the authenticity card that's in here. Speaking of that, where's that one for this? We need to make sure we have that. My studio light just broke. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yo, it's in the glass. How did that even happen? Yeah, assemble. So I found the authentication card and the other thing. I'm gonna put this in my Neverfull so I don't lose it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, y'all. I'm so stressed. Like, there's glass on the floor now. Whatever, I'll deal with it. But bye, beauties. I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Pray for me.